Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Fasten with a buckle or buckles. Buckle. Fasten with or as if with a brooch. Brooch. Grasp firmly. The child clasped my hands. Hold firmly and tightly. The act of grasping. He released his clasp on my arm. Clench, clutch, clutches, grasp, grip. A fastener, as a buckle or hook, that is used to hold two things together.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.